Problem is y is equal to x plus c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to negative x. Dalawa ang arbitrary constants, therefore dalawang beses tayo magda-differentiate. So, first is y prime is equal to, ito magiging 0 plus c1 e raised to x. Ito magiging 1. 1 plus c1 e raised to x plus negative na pala siya kasi may negative dito sa exponent niya, so minus c2 e raised to negative x. Next differentiation is ito na yung magiging 0. 0 plus, natin isulat yan, c1 e raised to x plus negative times negative c2 e raised to negative x. So yan, may makikita tayong pwede nating makancel. Equate natin yung y prime is equal to 1 plus c1 e raised to x minus c2 e raised to negative x, and y double prime is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to negative x. Since parehas sila ng value, different signs, pwede natin silang ma-cancel, therefore making 0. So y double prime plus y prime is equal to 1 plus 2c1 e raised to x. Alisin na natin to. Tapos, yung isa naman, pwede natin tong makancel. Kaya equate natin yung y and y prime. So, magiging y is equal to x plus c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to negative x. Y prime is equal to 1 plus c1 e raised to x minus c2 e raised to negative x. Same value, different signs. So, pwede natin makancel. Magiging 0. So, y prime plus y is equal to 1 plus x plus 2c1 e raised to x. Tapos, since makikita natin na parehas na may 2c1 e raised to x, i-manipulate natin. Ito magiging y double prime plus y prime. Lipat natin sa left side yung 1. Magiging negative 1 is equal to 2c1 e raised to x. So naman, lipat natin itong dalawa sa left side. So y prime plus y minus 1 minus x is equal to 2c1 e raised to x. Equate itong dalawang to. Meaning y double prime plus y prime minus 1 is equal to y prime plus y minus 1 minus x. Same sign, same value, different sides, therefore makakancel. Ito din dalawang to. Same. Cancel. So, ang tira na lang natin is y double prime. Lipat natin to sa left side, magiging minus y equal to negative x. Lipat natin lahat sa, pwede na itong final answer, pero kung gusto natin, lipat natin lahat sa left side para ang right side 0. So, yan na yung final answer.